Assalamu alaikum. While he was a judge of the International Court of Justice, Chaudry Zafarullah Qadiani Ahmadi did not care about eating meatballs made from pork etc. in Holland. Shahab Nama, page 1067-1068, written by Qudrat Shahab. The protocol officer told me after we arrived in Holland that if we want to avoid pork, ham, bacon, etc., we should not purchase mince from the market because mince from the market has mixed meat. After getting the warning, we used to avoid at reception in Holland the meatballs. Once the annual reception of the International Court of Justice was held at the Peace Palace, Chaudry Zafarullah Khan was the judge of that court. He, Chaudry Zafarullah, ate meatballs while dipping them in mustard chutney again and again with a lot of enjoyment. I, Shahab, informed Iffat, wife of Shahab, that today we are guests of Chaudhry Sahab, so mince must have been ordered appropriately. She told me to wait and to ask about it. Both of us headed to Chaudhry Sahab. As soon as she said salam, she asked Chaudhry Sahab, if this is your reception, you must have ordered mince as instructed. Chaudhry Sahab replied that the reception area is separate. In this case, mincemeat must have been bought correctly. Check out this kebab. While Iffat narrated her concern to Chaudhry Sahab about the mixing of meat in mince, pork, etc., Chaudhry Sahab replied not to investigate so much as this is also Huzur's saying. On religion matters, Iffat was very outspoken. She replied with racism, this is said by your Huzur, Qadiani leader, or is it said by our Huzur, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Attached are pictures of Iffat, Qudrat Shahab and Chaudry Zafarullah. Thank you.